So I found this outdated quilt rack at the Salvation Army, and as you can see, it has the outdated floral pattern. This was considered pretty and cute at one time, but no more. So I'm going to take this piece and update it to a very modernized blanket throw rack. A coat of paint does wonders, and you can't go wrong with gray. So as you can see, I am painting with a roller gray paint all over this quilt rack. A little trick I like to do is to cover my paint tray with grocery bags and put the paint on that so that I don't have a lot of cleanup, especially if I'm going to be using the paint for a couple of days. Making sure to get the rails really good that the blankets and throws will hang on. I have these leftover spindles from chairs that I have done other projects with, and I'm going to sand them down really well and use these as a really cool accent piece for our blanket slash throw rack that will give it a very modernized and updated look. It's going to transform it completely. Pulling out these metal pieces at the end of the spindles. Gotcha! Using my circular saw to cut off the very end of the spindle, and also cutting off the end of the other spindle. Now to sand the ends of the spindles. I am going to be using this Varathane beautiful jet black stain to stain these spindles. The black will be a very nice contrast with the gray. Love that rich black color. Mixing the stain with my stir stick. Now here is another trick I like to do is to use a little small cup to scoop out the amount of stain I need. This helps to keep the stain can from getting all gooped up and making it difficult to close, and then the stain goes bad. So this has helped me a lot. So here is our outdated quilt rack that is now an updated, modernized gray color. And now we're going to attach the black spindles as our accent pieces to really give this quilt rack a unique and beautiful look. I am putting wood glue on this piece. I don't know if it will adhere as it really should, because I think you're just supposed to put wood glue wood on wood, and both of these pieces have been either painted or stained, but I didn't think it would hurt, and it will probably hold it in place somewhat as I drill my holes so that I can place in the screws. Starting the screw with my hand, and now drilling in the screw. And we'll do it all again for the other side of the blanket throw rack. So let's check out what we have. Let's check out this transformation. Look how cool this piece looks. I absolutely love it. I've got this really cute gray and white blanket slash throw with little pom-poms on it that I think will look absolutely adorable on this blanket throw rack. What a transformation this is with just a little paint and some spindles from chairs on the sides of the blanket throw rack as accent pieces. I think it's poppin', outdated to updated for sure.